Morning. Day 2 in London. Finally got some really good sleep, like 8 hours. So we're ready to hit the ground running this morning. Gonna get some pastries, which is pretty classic for me just to start the day. And then head over to St. Peter's Cathedral, which I'll show you guys around at, and then continue on. Not too sure what the plans are, but stay tuned. Alright everyone, so we're approaching St. Paul's Cathedral. I'm not too sure if I can take videos or photos inside, but I'll try to get a few shots for you guys, even low key. And there's a bit of the church behind me, so let's go check it out. Hey everyone, so I just thought I would do a bit of a voice recording here, as I thought it would be a bit rude recording in the cathedral as well as filming. So as you can see here at the start, basically the entry was only £23 for adults if you weren't a student and over 18 years old, which I thought was quite a good deal, as you'll see with the view that's coming up as well. And I believe if you were a student it was about £18 and a cheaper price as well for children. And then in this next clip here you can see we're heading down into the crypt. Just a few steps on the western wing of the building, if I remember correctly, and there are a few prominent figures buried there, including the Duke of Wellington, Admiral Lord Nelson, and Sir Alexander Fleming. And also, famously, Winston Churchill had his funeral procession within the building, so obviously a very famous church historically, and stay tuned because we're going to be checking out one of the main reasons why it's so popular today, which is the view outside and the absurd amount of steps that we had to climb to get to the top. So yeah, stay tuned, and let me know if you like these voiceovers as well with the content. Guys, we're in some kind of corridor. We just walked up over 500 steps and we're headed to the stone gallery, so let's check it out. Alright guys, we're just going up super windy, narrow staircase. That's the gallery closed behind me. I'm gonna continue upwards. You're probably hearing my breath. Oh, we made it. Okay. We made it to the top. As you can see behind me, guys, there's a lot more stairs still. Guys, that was the view. Hope you enjoyed it. So it was like 500 steps later. And now I'm going to try not to hit my head on this and make our descent down. Alright guys, so I just picked up the new Arsenal kit. And we tried to get this thing called cream tea at the Cafe Rouge. They did not have it, so we're going to try another place. Very upset, so I'll let you guys know if we can find it.
They can throw in. But they demolished that. Yeah, no, I was very
Here, just got some coffee. See St. Paul's Cathedral behind me. We're headed over the Millennium Bridge to the Tate Modern. Guess you could kind of say it's the MoMA's equivalent of London.
But it looks way cooler.
That's what it looks like. With the little smokestacky thing. So yeah, let's go check it out. I don't know what the photography deal is inside, but let's see. Alright guys, so we just finished checking out the Tate Modern. Admittedly for me, modern art, I don't really understand it. I don't know if you're really supposed to either. But it's a little exhausting, but it's cool, I guess. So we go in to get another brew at the Chester Cheese.
It's Cheshire.
Cheshire.
However you pronounce that, Cheshire.
I'm not sure how to say it, let me know. We get another drink there. You gonna get some cheese, Eddie?
Honestly, I don't think so, no.
No?
I think we're just
Cold?
gonna get beers. We may,
Cold
maybe
cheese for you?
I actually might, depending on if it's like...
Alright.
I'll see how it looks. I don't think that... I think...
So guys, we got a few options. We got the organic wheat beer, double 4 lager, the Alpine lager. What are you guys grabbing?
I don't know, probably the wheat beer.
Do the wheat beer, Cole?
I'll try the wheat beer.
Wheat beer, wheat beer. Maybe I'll make that 3. Alright guys, we just got out of the Ye Old Chester Cheese.
Sean's currently concussed.
Just hit my head on massive wood block and really friggin' hurt myself. It was pretty funny. It was a lot of fun, but doing okay. I think the alcohol numbed it, so it's fine. We were headed back to the room.
Regular patrons of Charles Dickens, Mark Twain, and some other guys.
There you go. Alright guys, we just freshened up a bit. Gonna head over to a pub to watch the Sheffield and Nottingham Forest game. Then we're gonna try to get some good Indian food. So that's kind of a staple in the UK now. Get a few clips of that and probably call it for the bit, so enjoy.